your window shades open. Please ensure that any portable electronic devices are switched.
And we are looking forward to have you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact with our ground staff. Thank you for flying with Air India Express and have a good evening ahead. नमस्कार सभी यात्रियों से अनुरोध करते हुए अपने स्थान पर ही बैठे रहे जब तक कुर्सी की पेटी बांधने का संकेत बंद न किया जाए। धन्यवाद।
आपकी लाइफ जैकेट आपकी कुर्सी के नीचे रखी है। यदि विमान को पानी पर उतरना, make sure your mask is secured properly before assisting others. Your life jacket is under your seat. In the unlikely event of a water evacuation, slip the life jacket over your head and secure its straps around your waist. At the exit, pull the red toggles to inflate your life vest. Should it fail to inflate, blow into the
Ensure that you have all your belongings with you. For the convenience of all our guests, we request you to double check your baggage before leaving. This will prevent the bags from getting exchanged with the fellow passengers. Guests with wheelchair bookings are requested to remain seated at the moment. Our team will assist you promptly after the guests have detained. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you soon. If you need any assistance or arrival, please
司机刚才想把我司机给我打一电话，这个人还挺得。